you want to turn your carpet from this to this, then stay tuned to see how I clean this stain using a portable carpet cleaner. I've been doing a lot of tests on several cordless vacuums the past few days for this channel, and the carpet I'm using is pretty much soiled with stains from the coffee grounds I use for the deep cleaning tests. So I decided to make this video to demonstrate how this Bissell Portable Carpet Cleaner will turn this stained mess of a carpet back to its original beige color. Before I continue, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I publish the latest reviews and cleaning tips, and I have a lot in store. Cleaning carpet is a simple 4-step process. The first step is to vacuum the carpet using a powerful upright, or in my case, a cordless stick vacuum such as the Dyson V10 Absolute. The purpose of this step is to remove as much dirt as possible so that the carpet cleaner can do its job at agitating and removing the stain. The second step is to pre-soak the stain area with a cleaning solution designed for such. For this task, I'll be using the Bissell Stain Pre-Treat Solution. Always follow the instructions listed at the back, and it says here to pre-soak for 3 to 5 minutes. If you want to be precise, you can use your smartphone's timer. After pre-soaking, it's now time to use the carpet cleaner to remove stains. The Bissell Spot Clean, which I'm using, comes with its own cleaning solution that you'll need to mix with hot tap water. I'll post another video detailing the prep and the full review of the Bissell Spot Clean, so please stand by for that. Use slow forward and backward passes to agitate and remove the stains. As you go along, squeeze the lever underneath the nozzle to spray the cleaning solution plus water mix on the carpet, but don't overdo it. Just spray enough to remove stains and not get the carpet soaking wet. Do this until the solution that gets sucked in turns from a dark coffee color to a light color. This means that there are no more stains to clean. Make sure to remove any excess cleaning solution by going over the damp areas of the carpet until there's no more visible solution that gets in the nozzle. If you do this properly, the carpet will fully dry in just a few hours. The last step is to allow the carpet to dry before walking over it. I hope this video gives you an idea on how to remove hard to clean stains from light colored carpet. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching.